Hi, hi guys, welcome to my video. Today we're gonna make a cake pumpkin spice.
Show them the box.
Today we're gonna make this cake, and so all we're gonna do is need the recipe. So first, we need to add some of that. Look at all that dough. It's like a cookie dough.
Okay.
And now we're going to put some in the bowl. Mom! Look at all that dough. A lot? Okay. Now all we're going to... And now the next thing is crack the egg.
Good job.
Okay. Some more. And the last egg. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is next to
Add 1 cup of water.
add 1 cup of
Hold
water.
on. Okay, so where does it say 1 cup?
Right there.
Right here.
So
Wait, baby. You need more water. You have to add it to the 1 cup. Right here. Fill it up to right here. More. To where my finger's at. There.
okay, let's do the one just like from Lala Loopsy. Okay, 1 scoop. Okay.
Okay. You need to put. Let's move the water out of the way.
Put what?
Next is 1/2 cup of oil.
1/2 cup of oil.
So let's see where the 1/2 cup is. It's right here. So you're gonna fill it up.
Oh, Mom, I thought you didn't need this. Okay, there.
Keep going. It was a little messy, huh? Okay, right about there.
Okay. Now we're gonna.
Let's clean up that little mess.
So they spilled some oil, huh?
Yeah.
It's okay, Mom. It will dry.
Okay, throw in the trash.
It will dry when the sun rises. Okay.
Okay, and then you add that.
Ooh.
Okay, let's put these in the sink. Get them out of your way.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna start mixing.
Okay. Give me a spoon. Oh, I thought I need.
Hold on. Hold it like this. Okay, we're gonna plug it in. Not yet. Okay, then we're gonna turn it on. And mix everything up.
Look at all that.
Spin it around. Like this.
Here's that. Look at all that. It's turning yellow. So you're right, that box is right.
Get the edges. Oh, looking good.
Is it done?
No, you see some dry stuff? Let me get the edges for you. It's almost,
Look at all that cake.
it's gonna be tasty, huh?
Yeah. Everybody's gonna think it's good. Mom, it's now it's done. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Now all we're gonna get is
So, we're gonna get a little
little hand. Okay, because we're gonna make cookies. Because we're gonna make cookies, huh?
So it goes on here. So what we're gonna do is pick what kind of cakes we want to make. So show everybody what kind you have.
So we have some Mickey ones,
Mickey and who?
Mickey and Minnie, and Buzz Light and Buzz Lightyear and little and him and the alien and Jessie. What's his name? Lotso and Woody.
Okay.
And then this one is Winnie the Pooh, Piglet, Winnie the Pooh again, and Tigger, Winnie the Pooh, and Eeyore. And we have Chip and Dale. And the last one, Mickey and his hand.
So which one do you want to pick? You can pick two.
I think I want Winnie the Pooh and Mickey.
Okay, so we're gonna put it down right there. Let me get the scissors to cut this little plastic off. Okay. And which one? Mickey?
Yeah.
Mickey and Minnie or just Mickey?
Just Mickey.
Okay. So
Now we're gonna pour it in. Maybe we could use our spoon.
okay, well we can actually use
That?
yes, this.
Maybe that.
We're gonna pour the batter. Tell them we're gonna pour the batter into our measuring cup.
We'll put the batter into our measuring cup.
So it's easy to pour into our molds.
So it's easy to pour into our molds.
Okay, so you need mommy's help for this, okay?
To pour it in there, huh?
Yeah.
Ooh, look at that cookie dough.
So we're just pouring this in. Let me get a scraper to get all of it, okay? You want to do it with a scraper?
What scraper? Oh yeah.
The
this-
spatula.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna put this.
Mix it
Hold
up.
on. No, this. So we're gonna get.
Oh.
He said dumb and simple, it's Nick.
Yeah.
Try Butch.
Ooh. It smells good.
Smells good, huh?
Yeah. It
Smells like holidays.
yeah. It smells like the cookies when we eat when I was a little kid,
Oh.
right?
Yep.
I don't know where to start.
Okay, let me help you with the rest, okay?
Okay.
So with the spatula, you could just get everything.
Inside says therapy forums, Amazon,
just about done. So the next step, let's make sure the insides are dry. Make sure all the inside is dry because I just washed them.
Okay.
Want me to help you?
Yeah.
You do one of the pull and I'll do this one.
Okay. Oh no, look!
Yeah, you gotta get them dry.
I don't like this getting this. I'm doing it like that.
Okay. So the next step,
And we're gonna pour it in the cookie mold.
so let's show them how we have it.
So we have
So
it and
put it on a cookie sheet,
put it on the cookie sheet.
and then we're gonna spray them with cooking oil.
It's cooking oil.
So you shake it up, and then look at the hole. The hole is where it's gonna come out. See the hole?
What if something happens to me?
Okay, and
I
then
mean, your family.
like real fast. I'll do it because it's kind of hard. Okay.
Okay. You're my favorite people.
I just want you to be happy.
That's how the cake doesn't stick. Okay. Now very slowly, you gotta pour them into the molds. Okay. Very slowly. There. Slow, because they fill up fast. Slow.
It's on the fucking news?
Just a little bit.
You okay?
There you go. Now on the side.
Can I wear those?
Mom, let's go swim in their ears.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So you can get the spatula and put it into their ears.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's me.
Who?
Ben.
Vince, hi. How did you find me?
I got them to show. We've analyzed both videos, looking at the audio, camera quality, anything that might be a clue.
Vince, slow down. Who is we?
Everyone on the subboard. There's dozens of incubators.
Contributors?
Maybe weirdos with
It's
different
looking
styles.
awesome.
There's
Yep.
some good sexy supplements, like actual retirement hops. There's one from Norway. I noticed something. Now, both videos are from the dropship, right? This video too. If you look at the second video, transposed on top of the first,
How do I?
then you toggle back and forth.
Ooh, look at all
The
that.
second one is different, right? See where the camera's moved. Just a little. Because it's not in the sheet, see? Looks like some sort of metal surface. Right?
Ooh.
Okay, get piglet's
Pretty
ears.
faded, and there isn't much to go off, but a
Good
delivery guy from
job.
Scranton recognized it. Check this out. Sticker.
Okay, let's get Mickey's ears.
Look, they're already filled up.
I know, but just move it just a little bit more.
Come in one kind of van. This is an MP55 step back.
Now the hands one.
Yeah, look at this one. Oh, not the hands. Good job.
Oh shit, sorry.
Okay.
Okay, here you go.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Vince.
Look at that. Ooh. Looks so cute. And
They're
yummy.
gonna be so good.
Yuppie. Now we're gonna make a huge cake.
Okay, we're gonna make the big red one.
Yeah, the big red cake, huh?
Yeah.
The big, humongous red one.
Okay. So show them your mold.
This is my mold. It's a Mickey head. So, Mom, can you put these cookies in the oven now?
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna put them in.
The oven. And wait until it cools down.
So So we'll check back on them in about 20 minutes.
Yeah, in 20
Let me see what
minutes.
time is it. We'll check on it. Tell me when it's 12.
That's what it is from last week.
10.
Okay.
So let's make sure the inside of that one's dry.
Yeah. We're gonna draw the inside.
Yeah.
I didn't draw the inside. Draw the inside. Look, mommy, make a Mickey head. It looks like a cookie, huh? Look, I made a cookie.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Here you go.
Good, perfect. Okay. Now we're gonna spray the inside of this one. Okay.
Mom, do you need some of this?
They already made it.
Oh, right.
Okay, then we're gonna pour. Wait, let me see. Pour it in the mold.
Just someone like that. Ooh, look at all the. It looks like a big giant cake. We're gonna make it all to the edge, huh?
Mm-hmm.
So it could be more huge, because we don't want nobody to think it's a cookie, right? It's a cake. Ooh, look at all the. We're supposed to give Ryan the cake from Nell's bird farm. Only the other friends.
Yeah.
Mom,
Yes.
there's still more room.
I know, but you're only supposed to put it halfway, because when it bakes, it gets bigger, and we don't want it too big.
Really, it's just medium?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Now we're gonna pour that in the sparkling.
So we have another pan.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it in for you.
Okay.
Whoa, whoa. Can we do it together?
Okay.
There we go.
There we go. And let's pop that one in.
Okay. Now let's put it for
Okay, so we'll be back to show you our finished product.
We'll be back to show you our finished product. Bye.